In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Cloudflare DNS for your website. This process is straightforward but crucial for improving both security and performance through Cloudflare's robust features. Let's get started by adding your domain to Cloudflare. First, you'll need to log in to the Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're in, find the button that says Add a Site and click on it. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your domain name. Make sure you input your Apex domain, which means without any www or additional subdomains, just something like example.com. As you proceed, you'll also be asked to choose a plan. If you're just starting, the free plan is a great option that offers essential Cloudflare features. After you've made these selections, Cloudflare will start to scan your existing DNS records. You'll see a list, and it's important to review them thoroughly. Make sure everything matches up. If something seems off or if any records are missing, you can correct or add them right here. Next, you need to update your domain's name servers. Once Cloudflare finishes scanning your DNS records, they'll assign you 2 specific name servers. Now, it's crucial to head over to your domain registrar's website. This is the service where you initially registered your domain. Log in and navigate to the DNS or name server settings. You'll have to replace your current name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. Accuracy is important here, so double-check the spelling. At this point, if you have DNSSEC enabled, remember to disable it temporarily. This will help prevent any resolution issues during the transition. After updating your name servers, it's time to wait for activation and propagation. DNS changes don't happen instantly. They can take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours to propagate across the internet fully. However, based on experience, Cloudflare often detects these changes sooner, which means you can possibly see the updates quicker. Cloudflare will send you an email notifying you once the name server change has been detected. You'll also see the domain status change to active in your Cloudflare dashboard. For peace of mind, you can manually check if your domain is being served via Cloudflare's name servers using tools like Dig or nslookup. These tools will give you confirmation that everything is set up and working correctly. And there you have it. Your domain is now channeled through Cloudflare DNS. This opens up a world of potential for better performance and security. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide easy to follow. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.